graph y is greater than x minus 1 on a plane? Well, we'll start by graphing the equation y equals x minus 1. And let's find 2 points on this line. When x is 0, y is minus 1, so we would have the point 0, negative 1. And when x is 4, y is 4 minus 1, or 3, so we'd have the point 4, 3. Now I'm going to draw the line that contains these 2 points, and I'm going to draw it as a dashed line because the inequality symbol is greater than. So just drawing the dashed line that contains the 2 points that we found. Now we want to shade half of this plane to indicate the solution set of the inequality. And to do that, we'll test a point that's not on the line and see if it's in the solution set. So I'm going to write the inequality. And then let's test a point that's not on the line. A point that's usually very easy to test is the point 0, 0, and it isn't on the line. So let's substitute 0 for y and 0 for x. On the right-hand side, I have 0 minus 1, or negative 1. 0 greater than negative 1 is a true statement. So that tells me that the point 0, 0 is in the solution set, and all of the points on the same side of the line as 0, 0 are in the solution set. So we would shade the half plane that contains 0, 0 to indicate the solution of the inequality, and we'll label the graph y is greater than x minus 1.